Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow creeps in this petty pace from the day to day to the last syllable of the recorded time, and all our yesterday have lighted fulls the way of dusty death. Out, brief candle, lie but a walking shadow, a poor player that trust and faith in the hours upon the stage, then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound, fury, and signify nothing. My dear students, today we are going to cover a chapter of plus 2 science, a poem called A Psalm of Life, written by H.W. Longfellow. It is based on life. ये जो जिंदगी की किताब है, वो किताब भी क्या किताब है, कभी एक हंसी सा ख्वाब है, कभी जानलेवा अजाब है. ये जो जिंदगी की किताब है, वो किताब भी क्या किताब है. कभी हंस लिया, कभी रो लिया, कभी पा लिया, कभी खो लिया, कभी छीन लेती है हर खुशी, कभी मेहरबान बेहिसाब है, कभी एक हंसी सा ख्वाब है, कभी जानलेवा अजाब है. ये जो जिंदगी की किताब है, वो किताब भी क्या किताब है. My dear students, life has got two aspects, a positive and a negative. One who thinks about positive part of life is known as optimist, and one who thinks towards negative part is known as pessimist. Positive part, life is full of beauty. Life has got 7 colors of rainbow. Negative, life is meaningless. Life is just like an onion. If you peel layer after layer, at last you'll find NOTHING, nothing. So let us start the poem. Let me recite a few stanza and I'll explain it. Tell me not in a mournful number, life but an empty dream, for the soul is dead that slumber, things are not what they seem. Life is real, life is earnest, and grave is not its goal. Dost thou what, to dost thou returnest, was not spoken of the soul. Not enjoyment, not sorrow is our destined end or way, but to act that each tomorrow finds us further than today. First stanza, tell me not in a mournful numbers. Tell me not means don't tell me. Mournful means sorrowful. Numbers means song. So don't tell me in a sorrowful voice that life is an empty dream. Life is not an empty dream. Then who tells life is an empty dream? For the soul is dead that slumbers. The persons who think that life is meaningless. They think everything in a negative way. For the soul is dead that slumber means the person who remains asleep, unable to come in contact with real life situation. They think that life is an empty dream. But the fact is that according to Encyclopedia of Americana, a dream consisting of only 45 seconds. We think that we watch the dream from night to morning, but it is not the fact. Only 45 seconds, and that too colorful. So life is not an empty dream. We have to take life positively. Well, at last we'll come to conclusion that, okay, how life is positive. Second stanza. Life is real, life is earnest, and grave is not its goal. Life is real. There is a hell and heaven difference between a real life and real life. In real life, everything is possible. A lambkin stands first in running race. And nowadays, the teenagers, boys and girls, they think of opposite hero or heroine. They want them as life partner, which is not real. Real life and real life is so, there is a gap a truck can go through. So life is real. Life is earnest. Earnest means practical. We have to think life practically. And grave is not its goal. Death is not the goal of life. If I ask a question, what you want to be? The answer will come in a different way. But nobody will tell that death is my aim. When death is the ultimate goal of life, nobody can escape from it. But we are positive thinkers. We think just immediate goal, not the ultimate goal. At first, for you people, cracking +2 exams is important. Then you'll go for next job, marriage, etc. But you do not think about death. That is good thing. Positive note. Dost thou what to dost thou returnest was not spoken of the soul. Dost thou what to dost thou returnest. It is taken from Bible. It is doctrine of Bible. It is quoted from Bible. It is philosophy of Bible that human body comes from the dust, again go back to the dust. When we think from Hindu philosophy or from Hindu culture point of view, we are born of 5 elements. And after death, we go back to the 5 elements. But it is not about the soul. Means body dies, but soul is immortal. It is the integral part of the body. It changes from one body to another. The concept of soul is very complex because we don't have idea what is going to happen after death. So, in death everything ends. Body dies, but soul is immortal. It is very complex to understand. Next stanza. Not enjoyment, not sorrow is our destined end away. Enjoyment is not the goal of life. Enjoyment is not the way through which we can reach at the goal. By doing entertainment, by doing enjoyment, we cannot reach at our goal. It is applicable in case of sorrow also. Sorrow is not the goal of life. Sorrow is not the means or way to reach at the goal. So, not sorrow, not enjoyment is our destined, means prefix aim. But to act that, each tomorrow finds us further than today. कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को गीता में कहा, कर्म ही संसार से सबसे बड़ा, तो कर्मयोगी बनो. Do your allotted duty. If you do your duty properly, you will have better future, better result tomorrow. Stanza number 4. Art is long, time is fleeting. Art is long, time is fleeting, and our heart, though stout and brave, still like muffled drums are beating, funeral marches to the grave. Art is long. In order to do any artistic things or any creative things, it takes longer period of time. If you want to build your career, it takes longer period of time. If you want to decorate your life, it takes longer period of time. If somebody goes for a sand art, it takes longer period of time. Art is long. If I ask a question, what you want to be? Some will say that I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a bank officer. I want to be a cricketer. Whatever it may be. Okay. In order to reach at that goal, it takes longer period of time. For example, okay, 10 years of school life. You have to cover 10 years of school life, 2 years of college life. After that, you have to go for entrance test. After getting click in the entrance test, you have to read few more years. After that, you may reach at your goal. So, art is long. Art is long and time is fleeting. Time doesn't wait for anybody. It moves in its own way. If you do not take care of time, you are not going to get the goal, result. Poet very beautifully compared beating of heart to that of beating of muffled drum. What is a muffled drum? Muffled drum is a drum which is used during funeral ceremony. When somebody dies, we take the dead body to the graveyard. By that time, a special kind of musical instrument is used. That is called muffled drum. The particular musical instrument provides a very beautiful kind of note. So, in order to make the tone solemn, people cover either with cloth or they sew it before fire so that a solemn tone will come. So, beating of heart is compared with beating of muffled drum. When the muffled drum reaches the graveyard, it stops. Similarly, we may die at any time. So, before our death, we have to do something meaningful for our family, for the society, for the... So far we have covered four stanza. Tell me not in a mournful number, life but an empty dream, for the soul is dead, that slumber things are not what they seem. Life is real, life is earnest, and grave is not its goal. Dost thou what to dost thou returnest, was not spoken of the soul. Not enjoyment, not sorrow, is our destined end or way, but to act that is tomorrow finds us further than today. Art is long, time is fleeting, and our heart thou stout and brave, still like muffled drums are beating, funeral marches to the grave. And we'll go from stanza number 5. In the world's broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not like a dumb driven kettle, be a hero in the strife. People compare life with different things. At the very beginning, as I mentioned that life is just like an onion. If you peel layer after layer, at last you will find nothing. एमती भी कहि परिबे जे जीवनटा परिव्याप्त अनेक भाबरे बुझिबाटा मनुष्यर एकबारे अल्प बुझिबा को चेष्टा करू करू सरी जाय जीवन रो गल्प. Here the poet compare world with a battlefield. If world is a battlefield, we are the soldiers. We have to prove that we are great. The world is compared with a battlefield, and in the bivouac of life. Bivouac means temporary camp for soldiers. Suppose we are in the temporary camp for soldiers, we must be ready to face the enemy soldiers at any time. We must be active. Okay, we cannot have a sound sleep. We cannot go for slumbers, right? The world is a battlefield. We are in the bivouac. Will not behave like animals. Okay, an animal cannot raise their voice against the master. I'm not in a mood to do my work today. No, I want to take a leave. Okay, I don't want to do work. He cannot go for, because they are animal. But what about we people? We are the human being, the best creature of this earth. We have to prove that we are heroes. What does hero means? Let me give an example. There was a film called Tere Meherbaniyan. In that film, hero dies at the very beginning. And a particular animal, dog, fight for the master, kills everybody. Here, who is the hero? The dog is the hero. Another film where Rekha plays the major role. Rekha was not the heroine. She was the hero. Khoon Bhari Maan. She took revenge against the enemies. So, we have to play the major role and we have to prove that we are hero in the struggle of life. Next stanza. Trust no future, however pleasant. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present, heart within and God overhead. Trust no future. Don't trust future because of two reasons. Because future is uncertain. Second, it has not yet come. We cannot know about future. वक्त है फूलों का सेज, वक्त है कांटों का ताज. Future has not yet come. And second thing is past. Past is dead. What is gone, that won't be written. जो चला गया उसे भूल जा, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो छूट गया उसको भुलाता चला गया. So future has not yet come, past is gone. So what is remain with us? Present. So we have to take care of present. In the third stanza, we have discussed about present. Here we'll get more idea about it. There is a saying, आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो परसों, इतनी जल्दी क्या है यारो, और भी जीना है बरसों. This philosophy doesn't work. Rather, we should follow कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. So we have to take care of present so that we'll have a bright future. Remember, my dear students, DIN, do it now. Present is very much important because present is something on which you can build your career. Thank you very much.